Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to put 2D text on a 3D object. I left the 3D window open just to show you it is 3D. I'll go ahead to one viewer. I have a typical 3D comp set up here, as you can see. Get a background, plug it into the shape. Now the background is what you're going to use to make your color. I'll make this red. With the background selected, I'll add a merge. And I'll go ahead and add another one. Get a text node. I have to use this on-screen keyboard because I'm paralyzed. I can't use my hands and arms. That is why it's up there in the screen. I have this sphere rotating 180. So I'll go all the way to frame 0. This is the front. There's two ways to rotate the text to where you want it. One is under the Layout tab of the text node. I prefer to use the merge. That way you can readjust things with the text node in your macro if you make a macro. And your center X and Y on your macro will be at 0.5, the default settings. I'm going to put text on the back as well. And then we go all the way to the back of the sphere. And now it's on the right. Select merge 2. And that'll be 0.25. Well, there you go. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.